Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's talk about the Bitcoin price. Where are we headed to? I'll keep this a short and concise video. Now, for the last couple of weeks, we have been ranging between the 30 and 40k price range. And you have probably also heard from many YouTubers out there that we're following a Wyckoff accumulation pattern. If you haven't, according to this schematic, we are currently somewhere in phase C before we enter phase D and have a massive swing towards the upside, continuing in phase E. Now this will bring us back to the high 40s or even 50k range, and I think that there is too much dependency that this will play out. I almost don't see anyone denying this pattern, and of course, don't get me wrong, I would like this to play out as well, but I just don't think it is a realistic play. Chart reading is not that black or white, and if you don't know, Wyckoff himself never came up with such an interpretation of accumulation. This model was actually added after his death. However, he certainly discussed some futures of market behavior that were incorporated in this model, but what he really stood for is developing a trader's view intuition for the retail investors. I'm not saying that this model is completely wrong. I'm telling you that a V-shaped recovery from here will be unlikely. I want to give you guys a different perspective by sharing a scenario that is more likely to play out in my opinion, because it seems that most YouTubers follow blindly the accumulation pattern of Wyckoff. What I think we might be seeing is that we are in a redistribution phase, and this looks like this. Here you can see the recent highs, so where Bitcoin was ranging between 50 and 60k before we had a massive drop towards where we currently are. And this phase is the redistribution phase, and we will be heading towards the accumulation phase, which is further down. And I came across this tweet of Mr. Chonky of a couple months ago where he made a Wyckoff redistribution schematic. And he said that he could not find one on Google, and he's right. When we take a look in the Google search, we only see accumulation and distribution pattern. There's no redistribution schematic. Now the price of Bitcoin is following his pattern and predicts a further downside before we enter the real accumulation pattern. Let me know what you think in the comments. Are we in a redistribution phase or accumulation phase? And which scenario is more likely to play out? If you like this short, concise videos, please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm and consider subscribing. See you in the next video.